So, one of the mistakes that I usually see with people in trading is yes, they might have a good trading strategy. Yes, they might have a good trading system. By the way, my own very own simplicity trading system that I use, I shared it on this channel. Find those videos after you finish watching this video. But you might have a good system, you might have a good tool, you might have a good trading strategy. Yet you find people also what they are still making bad trades, they are losing money and things like that. So in this video, I am going to show you one of my secrets when it comes to trading, when it comes to making it all work. The key, by the way, did I ask you to subscribe? If you haven't yet subscribed, this is the point where you subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Go ahead and also like the video to motivate me to continue doing these things. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So the least that you can do for me is to just give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, any thoughts, we are welcome to write them down in the comment section below. If you are looking for a broker, see the link in the description box below. If you're looking to download stuff, forex robots, indicators, books and stuff like that that people are selling out there, if you want to download those things for free, the links are in the description box below. So one of my secrets when it comes to trading is the ability to screen out the pairs that you are going to be trading. You need to be able to screen out pairs to focus on and pairs not to touch. Even when they look tempting, you need to find pairs that you need to be paying attention and pairs that you are not going to be looking at for that particular time. So how do I do that? So one of the secrets is, and there are many indicators for this as well, is you must find a currency strength screener. I know there are many platforms online that offer these services as well. Maybe the more that you have, the better. For example, I use FX Blue, the market current strength screener, as well as another popular one, which is FinViz. You need to be able to understand how to use these to your advantage. What do I mean? For example, if you go back to FX Blue, by the way, I am not in any way endorsing them or affiliated with them. So, yeah, don't come and say I went to FX Blue and this happened and this happened and this. I don't even know the guys, but I just enjoy using their tools as well. So, for example, you can see here, because we have sorted by mid-term, you can go down to short-term, you can go to mid-term, you can go to long-term, or you can custom. So what you don't want to do, let's maybe go back to mid-term. The mistake that I see people making is, for example, they just go onto their MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 and they just love the setup that they see on USD JPY. Let's look at the strength that's on USD JPY. You can see what's happening here. The dollar is strong, the Japanese yen is also strong. You cannot be trading both strong currencies at the same time. What you want to do, what a clever person does, yes, you are seeing all these opportunities. What you want to do is to screen your pairs, find a strong pair and match it with a weak pair. For example, at this moment, Euro USD is losing dollars. It's just falling. That's what this is telling us. GBP USD, you should be in that trade. It's falling. For now, gold is falling, and this is what, this is midterm. Let's scroll down. So we can see here on the US dollar, it's blue on the 30-minute time frame. On the 4 hourly, it's strength. On the daily, we have got strength. If we go to JPY, Japanese yen, same deal. We have got strength on the 4 hourly, and it seems like we are going to have some strength on the daily, and we have some strength on the 30-minute. So you don't want to match these two together. What you want to do is find this. Look, it's weak on the daily, it's weak on the 4 hourly, it's weak on the 30-minute, and you match it what to something that's strong. There you have a winning combination. Same with GBP USD. This is what is happening currently. If we are screening it by what, by medium term, that's what's happening, and this is what's happening on gold. That's what is holding you back. The ability to screen out a bad trades. We go to Finviz. Same deal. You can see Japanese yen is registering some strength, and you want to trade USD JPY. Come on. What you want to do is make Japanese yen with something here, which is in red. For example, GBP JPY, you can see there. Let's just close this. That's what you get when you use free tools. You get pop-ups of adverts here and there. But I hope you did not miss the point of this video. Of course, you are going to have a system, you are going to have a good strategy, you are going to have whatever that you are using and that you believe is going to make you money. Fine. Now, the other thing that you need to implement is you cannot just be shooting randomly, just bam, 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 randomly. You need to screen out your victims. Screen out your victims. And this is one way of doing that. Find a currency strength screener, and easy, find a strong currency, and match it with a very weak currency, and you have got a forex pair that's bound to go in your favor. I hope this helps somebody, and certainly, give this a try. They do have a tool that you can use for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Let's just click there. You can download for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. Maybe we'll do that in another video. But guys, this is free advice. If you are losing money and you are wondering what's wrong, what's happening, these are some of the things that you just need to use. These are some of the things that you just need to have. Simple things. Find a strong pair, a strong currency, get a very weak currency, and just trade that. Don't trade pairs that currencies that are strong at the same time. Stay away from currencies that are strong at the same time or that are weak at the same time. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.